as you know, we, Global Peace Festival, we organize this Global Peace Leadership Exchange. What do you think about Global Peace Festival, the organization itself? What is your first impression?
First of all, I would like to thank the organizer for this great function. And tonight we have seen Korean-Malaysian exchange leadership. And as we know, Malaysia is one of the best countries to lead the peace in the world. For the organizers, of course, it was a great. And I feel like everybody, supposed to be here tonight, but since we can say we are representative of everybody, those who are interesting, for the peace, and everybody, of course, interested for the peace. And second thing I would like to say, tonight we have seen Korean and Malaysian exchange. From now on, we would like to see other countries, Middle East, Africa, Asia, and other European countries, just to be a good example to lead the world. So the Global Peace Festival is, I think it's almost a few years now, and it's well known all over the world. And as we had last time in Kenya, Africa, and we would like to have every generation, we would like to let them know what's global peace and what's our aim and what is our target. So, and that's all what I can say about. I have a lot to say, but yeah, that's all.
Okay. What do you think that is important for us to go beyond our nationality? I mean, it's like, do you think that intercultural is important for all of us?
Yeah, you are the best example. You are the cross culture, so and you're enjoying this moment, and of course we have to, when we talk about the nation and integration and about the exchange, there will be, we have to respect the language, the religion, and the nation and the races and everything. And that's what everybody supposed to do. Yeah.
Okay, last question. As in Malaysia, we have already launched the power of 10 cents. And now we just launched the power of 1,000 won for Korea. What do you think about that?
Yeah, the result we have seen already for the Malaysian power of 10 cents. We help Palestine already, and in other countries those who really need. The name, when we say 10 cents, it's small, but the aim and the goal is very huge. And we have seen already, and now the second project is Korean, and we hope all over the world to have the same vision.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.